Hi and welcome to get acquainted with HILAKARI's optimal back roller. This product has been specifically designed for the massaging of your back muscles and to better your posture. Let's go and see how to use this device. This roller has 4 massaging heads. When you lay down on your back, place the roller under your back so that your spine is placed in between the 2 center massaging heads. In this way, your spine can move properly. If you're using this roller for the first time, start from the lower back. As you lay down on your back, bend your knees. I'm going to show you 4 techniques that are safe to use with this roller. You can do 1 technique per area first and go through your back, or you can try all the techniques for 1 area and then move along. As you learn the techniques, you can combine them according to the needs of your back. First technique is deep breathing. Peaceful inhales and exhales help your body to relax, and in this way, the positive effects of the roller reach deeper into the muscle tissues. As you go through your back, do 5 reps of inhaling and exhaling as deeply as you can without feeling pain. Little pinching is okay. Focus your mind into the area you are working at and imagine it relaxing more and more. This speeds up the relaxing process of your body. Second technique is swinging from side to side. In this technique, you swing your pelvis and back peacefully either to the left or right about 5 to 30 degrees. Inhale first, and as you start to swing, exhale at the same time. Do 5 swings on both sides using deep inhales and exhales. Third technique is rolling the roller up and down the back. Use short movements from half an inch to 2 inches at a time. Inhale again, and as you start rolling, exhale at the same time. Repeat this 2 to 3 times per area. Work your way up to the midway of your back. From this area up, you can use your hands to lighten the body weight, or if your back feels relaxed enough, you can keep your head on the ground and keep going. Fourth technique is about adding mobility and movement to your back through extension and flexion practices. Start this practice from the upper back in between the first and second vertebrae of your chest. Place your hands behind your neck. Inhale first, and when you start to flex your head and back forward towards your chest, exhale peacefully. As you inhale, extend your back and head and repeat again from 3 to 5 times. If you feel discomfort in any area, then move downward within the back. Repeat this practice and earlier practices and try to move back to the area that felt sore. You should now be able to release the tension and possible facet locks in this area as well. Keep moving down through your whole back. You may assist with your legs and hands as needed. With HILAKARI's optimal back roller and with these 4 techniques, you can relax your back and better your posture. You may use the roller 1 to 3 times a week.